Are you an aspiring virtual assistant and you're looking for a work from home job, or a virtual assistant without experience? So hear me out. Don't skip this video and watch until the end. Actually, this video is an awareness video. Our followers, the aspiring virtual assistants, to the beginners, to the no experience VA, this is an awareness video. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we are receiving tons of comments like this. We need virtual assistant, DM us, you can do retyping, turn into PDF, are you interested in a work from home job, DM me, yada yada. We have lots of this, like we need virtual assistant who can do retyping job or retyping task. Message us on Telegram, do you have GCash? And we are receiving all of these comments, and I know sa iba ring agencies or in other videos, they are commenting like this. And they are redirecting you to their Telegram account, or they ask you to DM them, or they are redirecting you and asking for your information. And the worst part here is they are using our videos to lure people, ask people for their GCash account, for their bank account, and they scam people, actually, to be exact. They use our videos, and when you click that link, you will be redirected for their form. And once you fill out that form, it would be like this. They will message you steps on how to do that task, like this. So they will ask for your GCash account and everything, and it's really alarming because they are scamming people and telling lies.